The chimps have been starved of protein during the long dry season and are now desperate for meat. There may be something hiding deep inside this hollow tree trunk. He then does something that takes hunting with tools to a new level as he probes the hollow trunk. He flushes out a small mammal, a gallego, and quickly dispatches it. This is the first real meat he's had for several months. He hands a morsel to the younger male. With this decision, the older chimp has sealed an alliance that one day may make them strong enough to challenge the troop's dominant males.